All right, y'all, let's see what I can make with some of the random stuff that I found outside or in my garden or whatever. A couple of plastic planters, some 2x4s, some. All right, so y'all know the deal. First, gotta do a little bit of cleanup on everything, and what we're gonna start with is some sanding. So let me get ready for that, okay? Okay, so right here, as y'all can see, I got some clamps on these. I just had to make a few little repairs. I put some wood glue in there and clamped it down. Just a little bit of split right there. I don't think it's going to be a problem. And plus that wood glue is going to take real good care of it. So I've got everything primed. And now what I'm going to do is start painting. And of course I'm going to use my favorite color. And also because I've got lots of this paint. But I love it. It's called Tantalizing Teal. All right, y'all, now that we got all our pieces primed and painted, let's put it together. All right, so I did a little practice with this off camera to make sure that I get it together. So let's see if we can do this. So this piece fits here. I think just like that. And I already pre-drilled my little holes. Fit, fit, fit. Come on, people. So now, as you can see, we have this flat edge down here, and we need to make sure that that is flat like that. All right, y'all, so now that we got it stabilized, what we need is an inside brace here and an inside brace there. So let's measure for that. All right, y'all, so what we want to do is have us a little ledge back here that will be able to hold plants so that when I, start from seed or anything like that, or bring in a new plant, I can have it back here and it'll be accessible for the rest of the planters, which will look something like this. All right, so what we're going to do is measure this, cut some holes, and then we'll attach that, okay? Okay, people, these holes are a little bit too large. So, to account for that lip that's on those plastic containers, I'm just going to draw a smaller circle inside of this one. And with magic marker so I can see, because y'all know I can't see. All right, y'all, let's see how we did. That one a little off, but it's fine. As long as they sit in there nicely. And in addition to here, where you can plant your flowers or herbs or whatever, you'll have a couple of other places where you can start some seeds, or you can just have some small ones that you want to put in there and let them grow stronger before you transplant them into the garden. All right, y'all, let's get our bottom brace put in here. Okay, so y'all might be wondering why I left some space in here. Well, in case you have some trailing plants, they'll have somewhere to go and not be on top of the lower one. So each one will have a little bit of space to trail. Let's go ahead and connect these. And it's just going to take a couple screws. I've already have holes in these for drainage. And they also serve as a hole for me to put my screws in to keep them in place. All right, people, so I got my son to help me bring this out in the back. I got a lot of soil in there, but we're going to finish filling it up, okay? And as you can see, it is in the shade. And like I told you, I always put wheels on my outdoor garden planters to make them mobile so you can find the sun. All right, so now notice that we are in the shade, and this is the reason why I made this like this, to follow the sun. Back in the shade. Pretty cool, huh? So I don't really have a spot for it right now, but what I'm going to do is just kind of park it right there, all right? Uh-huh.